Hello everyone, today I have brought to your kitchen an explosion of flavors called Pao Chicken, and the best part about the recipe is that it takes just a few minutes and is very easy to make. So begin with adding 1 teaspoon of salt to 500 grams of chicken, then add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder along with 1 egg white and 2.5 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix everything together and make sure the corn flour has coated the chicken pieces evenly. Then move on to frying them in medium heated oil, and be careful the oil is not too hot else the chicken pieces will burn. Also remember not to overcrowd the pan else the chicken pieces will take longer to cook and might stick to each other. It is usually best to fry in batches. Fry each side for about 2 minutes. Do not over fry the chicken or it might get hard. Once the chicken pieces are fried, transfer on a kitchen paper towel which will absorb the excess oil. Then move on to the final step, that is preparing the sauce. For that, on a high flame add 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is heated, add 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger along with 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Stir fry this for about a minute and then add half onion and half capsicum and stir fry for another 1 minute. After a minute or so, lower the flame and add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 4 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of white vinegar along with 50 ml of water. Mix all the sauces well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat until the raw flavor of the sauces goes away. Then add half a teaspoon of salt along with half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. Finally, add all the fried chicken pieces to the sauce. Make sure all the chicken pieces are evenly coated with the sauce. Garnish with some greens of spring onion and your Pao chicken is ready to serve. Well, on that note, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.